Gold and silver both have started the week on a bearish note and appears to be weak as of now. But at the same time, the point to remember is our support levels, that is 1908, 1910, and for silver 2240, 2250 are still respected, and it is trying to recover from those levels. So now what to expect today from gold and silver, which positions you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts for and indicators. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do your every like and every comment is a great inspiration and motivation for me to deliver every time on time with best of my abilities. The next update will be released before the US session, and hence press the bell icon. Do like, do share, do subscribe and comment as well, friends. This is a great support. With that, let's start. And yes, you can also remain updated with the market moves by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at gold on the hourly chart. Certainly it is again trading bearish in this channel. Yes, the resistance here at 2022 was strong. After that, this drop, and now it is trading in this bearish channel, which is suggestive that yes, if you see gold trading above 1916 levels, you can buy again. Expect 1920-22 zone again as the first resistance, and only if it stays above 1920-22, you can say that gold is trying to reverse and we are going to look forward to a further rise, and hence a buy entry is only recommended if you see gold trading above 1916. This is very clear. Stochastic is rising here. MACD, see, this is the bearish part of this wave is done. Possibly we are looking forward to a crossover for a greener wave. RSI trying to trade bearish, and if you look at 2 hours, similar observation here, trading largely in this bearish channel here. This time I can sense that if it is reversing, see, this is falling short of the lows of this channel. This suggests that possibility of a reversal exists here, but we have to be careful. A stochastic oversold. MACD is almost at bottom, and RSI is also trading with almost flat here, rather I should say. On the 3-hour chart, this is the first green candle here. Lower highs are seen, and see, this time it is not yielding lower lows. I will wait for it to break out beyond 1916 levels, and then possibly 1922. If these two levels are taken, possibility exists that it is reversing here. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green, trading with very little divergence. This is almost falling flat here. We have to wait for uprise. Right now it is flat and it is in green. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. It is just given lower highs, yes, and it has the potential for it to reverse, because see, this is the first red candle. There could be a second red candle which might take it till towards 1910, 1908 levels, and hence only sell entry I will recommend is below 1908 levels. Below that you can expect 1904 and 1900. Remember, 1900 is now going to be a very good support. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is oversold. MACD is also trading with very little divergence, and it is in green, and also it is trading at almost bottom here. Also, as we have seen, see, it is almost getting flattened here, so possibility of a rise exists. RSI is almost at bottom. Coming to the daily, look at daily charts. See, lower lows are done here. See, if you connect the dots, you'll find 1908 as a good support, and that could be the bottom here. But a buying entry is only above 1916, and selling entry now I'll recommend is below 1908, because this is a great support here, and below that, in fact, till 1900, 1905, 4 levels, we have great support for gold here on the downside. Stochastic on the daily charts is extremely oversold, while MACD is trading bearish divergent. And if you look closely, it has completed this wave here. I will definitely observe how it behaves at around these levels, because see, double bottom, and this is the first wave. The second wave, when it starts, it is going to be a good green wave. RSI is almost falling flat at bottom. Looking at this for the day, a buying entry is above 1916, very clear. Above 1916, first you have to observe how it behaves at around 2022. This is going to be the first resistance. Beyond 22, anything is a bonus. We can expect 32 as the next resistance. In between 26-28 levels will come into picture. Minor resistance there, however, it is possible, if not today, with the next candle, tomorrow's candle, we can expect it to break past those levels. But yes, then we will look forward to 1932 as the major levels. Beyond that, we can see more bullishness to continue throughout the week. That is the first observation on the buy side. On the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 1908, and we will observe for 1904 as the first target, 1900 as the next. 1895, 1891. Till 1891, there is a possibility for reversal. Till 1891, there is a possibility for drop also. Till that it may try to drop till 1891, there is a possibility. However, we have to stay alert at around these levels. These are very, very strong support levels. And as we discussed in our weekly analysis, below 1891, any move, yes, that should be the indication that gold is going to crash for 1870, 1840 levels. So take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited intake we take, and hence reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. First, if you look at silver, see it was trading in this zone. It appears it has left this zone now and now trying to trade bearish. See, 2265 was forming a good support levels. It has breached those support levels, and if you connect the dots, you will observe that it is trying to trade bearish in this channel. The highs of this channel at around 2280, now the lows at around 2250-40 zone. Yes, that is a good support. If you look at the hourly charts more closely, lower highs, lower lows are seen. Hence, once you see it trading about 2270 rather, this is the point at which you can buy. However, remember 2280 it needs to pass by. That is a great resistance. Only about 2280 is where the bulls will take over here. Till 2280, do not treat or do not expect bullishness in silver. That is the first point. Stochastic here is almost falling flat, but MACD on the hourly charts is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, but it has a scope for it to continue further. You can see this. RSI is looking down on the 2-hour charts. If similar observation, however, lower highs, higher lows, trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence getting a pullback. That is very, very important point to note, that it is not willing to stay outside Bollinger Bands. The resistance here at 2270, 2275 is very, very strong. 3 to 4 candles getting the resistance here at the same levels. Stochastic almost hitting the bottom, while MACD crossing over for a sell. This is not a good sign for silver, because see, after this bit of retracement, now it is trying to cross over for sell. RSI also trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see first bearish candle, second is information, but it is still falling shy here, or it is not willing to trade much bearish. Let's observe more. On the upside, resistance is seen here at 2270-75 levels and ultimately 2280. Stochastic trying to trade bearish, MACD willing to converge crossover for sell. RSI is falling flat at bottom. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation as of now, nothing different. Only one observation here is see 1, 2, 3, 4-hour charts. All the time frames are suggestive that it has left this support zone at 2265, which was a great support. Stochastic here is also trying to trade bearish. MACD is in green but willing to converge crossover for sell, while RSI is almost trading at bottom. Coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, see, connect these lower highs, lower lows. So again 2250, 2280 levels are the swing zone here. You can buy at 2270, however wait for it to break past 2280 levels in order to confirm the reversal for 23, and then more bullishness may prevail. See, prices are too much divergent from the moving average. However, moving averages have just crossed over. They are looking down, suggestive that there is little more bearishness coming forward. And see, the stochastic is extremely oversold, hence possibility of a recovery exists, while MACD is also trading with sharp bearishness. It has almost touched the bottom again, and we can see this is how silver has traded. First bearish wave, second bearish wave. If it crosses over here, it may lead to a good bullish momentum. RSI flat here and near to bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2270. Be and warn you of a caution till 2280 and $23 levels. Anything above 23 is a bonus for 2320, 2350 levels. Else possibility of a reversal is also equally strong till it respects 2350 levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2250 itself. Below 2250, you can expect little more drop, but then 2240 is the level I will look forward to. And if it stays below 2240, just expect that we are looking at 2220, 22, and then more bearishness till towards 2150 in this week itself. So this is the summary for gold and silver today. And right now it is trading with a slight bearish bias. We have to exercise caution and restraint while taking a position as of now. The levels I have mentioned very clearly for gold and silver, and I will look forward to a reversal, but right now it is not giving any opportunity, and hence you have to trade safely, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.